In this video, we'll walk you through building a NewTechWood deck, from installing your first board, fixing your grooved board, and finishing your deck with a clean, picture-framed edge. Before building your NewTechWood deck, you need a strong, level frame. You will also need to have a minimum of 100mm ground clearance, or 40mm if installed over concrete or paving. Make sure you refer to NewTechWood's installation guide for all profile-specific framing specifications. Now let's get started. A perfect start sets the tone for the entire deck. You can install your first board using start and end accessories or through face fixing. For this video, we're using face fixing. Place your first board down, checking your alignment carefully. A straight first board makes the rest of the installation run smoothly. Mark your screw points, keeping them at least 38mm from the edge of the board to prevent cracking. At a 90-degree angle, pre-drill your edge board with a drill bit slightly larger than the screws to allow for expansion and contraction. Then fix it in place with your color-matched stainless steel screws. Repeat this on every joist. For a seamless, screwless finish, you can also use NewTechWood deck plugs. Using the NewTechWood TL03 countersink bit, pre-drill your holes, fix your screws, then tap in your color-matched deck plugs with a rubber mallet. Once your starter board is secure, it's time to continue with your grooved boards using the TC28 clips. You will need one clip per joist, and they help keep your boards perfectly aligned while allowing natural expansion and contraction. There are two ways to install the TC28 clips. The first method is board first. This is ideal if you prefer to lay all your boards down first. Place all your grooved edge boards in position, leaving a small gap between each board. Slide your clips into the board grooves along the entire run. Lightly push the boards together so the clips sit securely. Move each clip so it lines up perfectly with its joist. Screw the clips down. The second method is clip first. This is ideal if you don't like sliding the clips and if you prefer to set everything up before placing the boards. Place your TC28 clips onto each joist. Push your grooved board into place and screw the clips down once everything is aligned. Once all your groove boards are installed, you can finish your deck with edge boards. Your last board installs the same way as your first. If you want clean, polished edge, you can picture frame your deck with additional edge boards. After installing the edge boards parallel to your grooved boards, trim the board ends that will meet your additional edge boards to create a straight, clean line. Insert the edge boards on both sides, face fix them. You can also mitre your corners for a professional finish, and that completes your picture-framed look. And that's how to install a NewTechWood deck. If you are looking at installing fascia boards, we have a separate video that will guide you through that process.